Hello everybody. The purpose of this video is to try to help you guys when you're home tonight doing some of your homework. If you get stuck, kind of go through a problem right now with me to kind of show you the different steps you need to take to solve these problems. I chose number 20 off of your homework on page 332 that I assigned today. I chose this one because it has the variables on both sides with extra numbers as well, so you have to move the variables over and the actual whole numbers. We're solving equations with variables on both sides. And what we're trying to do is figure out what n has to be to make this side equal this side when we solve both sides individually. Okay, when we solve equations, that's what actually is happening. So the first thing we need to do is what I said in class today is you're going to find the one that has the smallest variable, the side that has the smallest variable. I'm going to put a line through here so we see there's two sides. And we're going to move that to the other side. So we have 12n, which is positive, and then we have a negative 14n. Well, that one's smaller. So to get rid of the negative 14n, we want it to become 0. So we're going to add 14n to this side, and I'm going to add 14n to this side. What that does is it allows this 14n really to move to the left-hand side. We're moving all the variables to one side. So now I can actually solve this. 12n plus 14n is 26n. I've not done anything with this negative 24, so I'm going to bring it down. You don't have to put the arrow there, but I did just to make sure that you guys saw what I did. This negative 14n and the positive 14n, the reason we added 14 is so they can cancel each other out. We really get 0 there. So what we have now is just a regular 28. Okay, now that we have the variable on one side, we want to get rid of our whole number, and we want to actually pull it to the other side. So to get rid of a minus 24, and we want that to turn to 0, it's really a negative 24 if you think of it that way, is we add 24 here, and we add 24 here. By doing that, we can solve. This becomes our 0, or it cancels out, and we still have our 26n left for the left-hand side. And the right-hand side, we actually solve that, and we get 52. Now it's just a regular one-step equation that we've been working on all year. So if we have 26 times n, we're going to do the opposite and divide by 26 here, divide by 26 here. 26 divided by 26 is 1, which means 1n, or n. And on this side, 52 divided by 26 is 2. So now if we took this 2 and we plugged it back into here, 24, I'm sorry, this 2, it would be 12 times 2, which would be 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. And if we do it over here, we'd get negative 14 times 2, which is negative 28. Negative 28 plus 28 would be 0. Both sides would equal one another, and that's what we're trying to figure out when we solve equations. So our final answer is n equals 2.